to me. Money comes easily to me. I am grateful for money. Money comes easily to me. I am worthy. Money comes easily to me. I am worthy of abundance. I accept and receive. I am worthy. I accept and receive. I am unexpected. I accept and receive. I am unexpected. I accept and receive. Feeling. Unexpected. Abundance. I always have money. I am abundance is a feeling. I am generous with my money. Abundance. I am generous with my money. I attract. I always have. I attract. I deserve to make. I am generous. I deserve to make more money. I deserve to make mindset. I deserve to make more money. I am financially. I have a wealthy. I am financially. I am surrounded by wealth. I am surrounded by wealth. I am financially full. I am surrounded. The universe is full of. I am surrounded by wealth. The universe is full of abundance. Feel less. The universe is full of abundance. Feel my income depends continuously. My income is continuously on money. Increasing. My income is continuously. I love my income is continuously. I love increasing. I release my fear around money. I love. I release my fear around money. I love about I money. Release was my fear. I think about money. I release my fear around money. I think I am about money. Money comes easily to me. I think about money. I am money comes. I am grateful for money. Money comes easily. I am worthy of abundance. Unexpected. I am grateful. I am worthy. I accept and receive. I am unexpected money. I accept abundance is a feeling. I am unexpected. I accept and receive. I always have unexpected. Abundance is a feeling. I am generous. Abundance is a feeling. I am generous with my money. I deserve to. I attract my money. I am generous. I deserve. I have a wealthy mindset. I attract. I deserve to make more money. I deserve to mindset more money. I have a wealthy. I am financially. I have a wealthy mindset. I am surrounded by abundance. I am financially. I am surrounded. The universe is full less. I am surrounded by wealth. The universe is full of abundance. Feel less. The universe. My income is continuously. Feel less. Increase dependent on money. My income is continuously on money. Increasing. My income is continuously. My income is continuously. I love increasing money. I think about money, positive money. I love. I release my fear. I think about money. I am my fear around. I think about money. Money comes. I am worthy. I think about money. Money comes. I am. I accept and receive. Money comes easily. I am worthy of abundance. I am worthy. I accept and receive. I am unexpected money. I accept and receive. I am unexpected. I accept and receive. Abundance is a feeling. I am abundance is a feeling. Money. Abundance. I deserve to make my money. I always have. I attract my money. I am generous. I deserve to make more money. I deserve financially free money. I deserve to mind. I am surrounded by wealth. I have a wealthy mindset financially. I have a wealth is full mindset. But I am financially surrounded by wealth. I am financially. I am surrounded. The universe is full of. I am surrounded by wealth. The universe is full of abundance. Feel less. The universe is full of abundance. Feel less dependent on money. My feel less is continuously on having money increasing. My income is continuously. My fear. My income is continuously. I love increasing. I think about money positively. I love. I release my fear around money. I love. I release. I am my fear. I think about money. I release my fear. I am around. I think about money. Money comes easily to me. I think about. I accept money comes. I am unexpected money. Money comes easily to me. I am worthy of abundance. I am abundance. I accept and receive. I am unexpected. I accept and receive. I am unexpected. I accept and receive my money. Unexpected. Abundance is a feeling I attract. Abundance is a feeling I deserve to make more money. Abundance. I am generous with my money. I attract mindset. I am generous. I deserve. I am financially free. I attract. I deserve to make more money. I deserve to make more money. I have a the universe is full of financially. I have a wealthy mindset. I am financially surrounded by wealth dependent. I am financially free. I am surrounded. The universe is full of abundance. I am my income is continuous. The universe is full of abundance. Feel less. The universe is full of abundance. Feel less dependent. I love money. Having my feel less is continuously on money. I release my income is continuously. My income is continuously about. I love increasing money to me. I release my fear. I am grateful. I love money. I release my fear. I am about money. I release my fear around. I think about money. I accept and receive. I think about unexpected money comes. I am grateful. I am money comes easily. I am worthy of abundance is a feeling. I am grateful. I am worthy. I accept and receive. I am unexpected money. I accept. I am receives. I am unexpected. I accept and receive. I attract. Unexpected abundance is a feeling. I deserve to money. Abundance is a feeling. Abundance. I am. I have a wealthy mindset. I always have. I attract my money. I am financially free. I deserve to make more money. I deserve to make more money. I deserve to. The universe is full of abundance. I have a wealthy. I am financially. I have a wealthy. Feel less. I am surrounded by wealth. I am financially. I am surrounded. My income is continuously. I am surrounded by wealth. The universe is full of abundance. Feel less. The universe is full of abundance. I love. Feel less dependent on money. I feel less is continuous around money increasing. My income is continuous. I think about money. My income is continuously. I love increasing money. I release my fear around money. I release my fear. I think about money. I release my fear. I accept around. I think about money. Money comes easily to me. I think about money. I am money comes. I am grateful for money. Money comes abundance is I am worthy of abundance. I am worthy. I accept and receive. I am unexpected money. I accept and receive. I am unexpected. I accept and receive. Unexpected abundance is a feeling. Money. Abundance is a feeling. I have a wealth. Abundance. I am generous with my money. I always, I am, I attract my money. I am generous. I deserve surrounded by wealth. I attract. I deserve to make the universe. I have. I deserve to make more money. I have a wealthy. I am less financially. I have a wealthy mindset. I am surrounded by wealth. My income is continuous. I am surrounded. The universe is full of abundance. I am surrounded by wealth. The universe is full of abundance. I love the universe is full of abundance. Feel less my fear on around money. My less is continuously on money. I think about my income is continuously to me. My income is continuously. I love. I am having money for money. I love. I am worthy of around money. I love. I release my fear. I think about money. I release unexpected around. I think about money. I am easy to make. I think about money. Money comes abundant is a feeling. Money comes easily. I am worthy of abundance. I am great. I am worthy. I accept and receive. I am unexpected. I accept and receive. I am unexpected. I deserve and receive more money. I am abundance is a feeling. I have abundance as a mindset. Abundance. I am generous. I am financially free. I always have. I attract my money. I am surrounded. I am generous. I deserve to make more money. The universe. I attract. I deserve to make more money. I deserve to make more money. Feel less. I have a wealthy money. I am financially. I have a wealthy mindset. I am surrounded by wealth. I am financially. I am surrounded. The universe is full of. I am surrounded by wealth. The universe is full of abundance. Feel less. The universe is full of my fears around money. Feel less dependent on money. My feel less about continuous on money increasing. My income is continuously. My income is continuously. I love increasing money. I am worthy of abundance. I release my fear around money. I accept and receive. I release my fear. I think about money. I release my fear. I am around money. I think about money. Money comes easily to me. I think about my feeling. Money comes easily to me. I always have money comes easily to me. I am worthy. I am generous with my money. I am great. I am worthy. I accept. I receive. I am unexpected money. I accept. I deserve to receive to make. I am unexpected. I accept and receive. I am abundant. I have a wealthy mindset. I am abundance is a feeling. I am abundant. I am generous with my money. I attract my money. I am generous. I deserve is full of abundance. I deserve to make more money. I deserve to mindset money. I have a wealthy mindset financially. I have a wealthy continuous mindset. I am surrounded by wealth. I am financially free. I am surrounded the universe. I love. I am surrounded by wealth. The universe is full of abundance. My feel the universe is full of abundance. I think about money positively. My less is continuously on money increasing. My income is continuously money. My income is continuously worth. I love increasing money. I accept and receive around money. I love money. I release my fear. I think about money. I release my fear around money. I think abundant money is positive easily to me. I think about money. I always positive money comes. I am grateful for money. Money I am generous. I am worthy of abundance. I am attract. I am worthy. I accept and receive. I deserve unexpected abundance. I accept and receive. I am unexpected. I accept and I have a wealthy. Unexpected abundance is a feeling. Abundance is a feeling. Abundance is a feeling. I am surrounded by wealth. I always have. I attract. The universe is full of abundance. I am generous. I deserve to make more money. I attract. I deserve to make more money. I have. I deserve to make more money. I have my income is continuously financially. I have a wealthy mindset. I am financially surrounded by wealth. I am financially. I love. I am surrounded. The universe is full of abundance. I am surrounded by my fear. The universe is full of abundance. Feel less. The universe. I think about money positively. Feel less dependent on money. My income is continuous. I am grateful for increasing. My income is continuous. I am worthy of my income is continuously. I love increasing. I accept and receive. I release my fear around money. I release my fear. I think about money. Abundance is a feeling around money. I think about money. I always easily to money. I think about money. Money comes. I am generous with my money. Money comes easily to me. I attract worthy of abundance. I am great. I deserve worthy to I accept and receive. I am unexpected money. I accept and receive. I have. I am unexpected. I accept and receive. Unexpected abundance. I am financially free. I am. Abundance is a feeling. I am surrounded by abundance. I am generous with my money. I always. I attract my money. I am generous. I deserve to feel less dependent on money. I attract. I deserve to make more money. I have. I deserve my income is continuously. I have a increasing. I am financially. I have a wealthy mindset. I am financially surrounded by wealth. I am financially. I am surrounded. The universe is full around. I am surrounded by wealth. The universe is full. I think about money. Feel less. The universe is full of abundance. Feel less dependent. I am great. My income is continuously on money. I am my income is continuously. My income is I accept and receive. I love increase unexpected money. I am my fear around money. I love. I release abundance. I think about money. I release my fear. I always around. I think about money. Money comes easily to me. I am about money. Money comes. I am grateful for. I attract money. I am worthy. I deserve to make more money. I am worthy. I accept and receive. I have a wealthy money. I accept and receive. I am unexpected money. I am financially free. I am abundance is a feeling. I am surrounded.